If Krita is giving you a rendering error or your MP4 export keeps failing, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help you render your animation successfully and even give you a reliable backup method if the video encoder refuses to work completely. This is especially useful if your graphics drivers are busy, your export keeps crashing, or you're dealing with a large project that just won't finish rendering the normal way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to understand is that the MP4 encoder can sometimes run into problems when your graphics drivers are under heavy load. So if you're getting an error, one of the easiest things you can do is change the file container. Instead of exporting as MP4, switch the container drop down to Matroska, which is the MKV format. This can often be more stable and less likely to trigger rendering issues. Even though it's a different file type, it can still help you get your animation exported properly without losing your work. Next, open the Render Animation window inside Krita. This is where all of your export settings are managed, and it's the main place where we can adjust things to reduce failures. Once the window is open, take a look at your resolution settings. If your resolution is extremely high, like 4K or above, that can be very memory intensive and may cause the render to fail. For better stability, try keeping the resolution closer to a common video size such as 1920 by 1080. That's usually much easier for your system to handle, and it can make a big difference if your computer is struggling during export. Now let's check the FFmpeg path, because this is another very common source of Krita rendering errors. In the Render Animation window, click the folder icon next to the FFmpeg path field. This will let you browse for the correct FFmpeg.exe file. Navigate to your main Krita installation directory, which is usually located in /program files /Krita open parenthesis x64 close parenthesis /bin /. Inside that folder, select the FFmpeg.exe file that comes with Krita. Using the built-in FFmpeg file is important because it ensures Krita is pointing to the correct encoder instead of relying on a missing or broken system path. Once that's selected, try rendering again and see if the error is gone. If the video encoder still refuses to work, there's a very effective workaround that lets you keep your progress without getting stuck. Go back to the Render Animation window and change the export option from video to image sequence. Then select PNG as the format and export your animation. What this does is render every frame as a separate image and save them into a folder. It may sound like a workaround, but it's actually a very reliable one, especially when video encoding is failing. After Krita finishes exporting the image sequence, open a free video editor such as CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Import the entire image folder into the editor, and it will turn your frames back into a video timeline. From there, you can export your final video without dealing with Krita's encoder problems. This method is great because it bypasses the rendering issue entirely while still preserving every frame of your animation. So to quickly recap, if you're facing a Krita rendering error, try switching the container to MKV. Make sure your resolution isn't too heavy, point Krita to the built-in FFmpeg.exe file, and if all else fails, export as a PNG image sequence and finish the video in another editor. That way you can keep working without losing time or progress. If this tutorial helped you solve your Krita export problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.